In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make price list on Canva. Whether you are setting up a menu, a service list, or a product catalog, a clear and professional price list helps customers understand what you offer at a glance. We'll walk through choosing a template, customizing it with your details and branding, polishing the layout, and exporting it for print or digital use. Start by opening Canva on the home page and typing price lists into the search bar. You'll see a wide variety of professionally designed templates. Take a moment to browse and pick one that suits your style: minimal, bold, elegant, or playful. Choose something that feels close to your brand so you'll spend less time adjusting later. If you prefer starting from scratch, you can, but templates save time and keep everything consistent. Next, click into the text and replace the placeholders with your business name, item descriptions, and prices. Keep descriptions short and scannable, and make sure your pricing format is consistent. Decide on currency symbols and whether you'll use decimals. To speed things up, use the duplicate feature to quickly create additional rows or sections that match your layout. This ensures consistent spacing and makes edits much faster. Now bring in your branding. Update fonts and colors to match your identity. Use a clear, readable font for body text and a distinctive font for headings. Upload and place your logo where it's visible but not overpowering. If you want to showcase products or services visually, use frames to drop in your own photos. Choose images with good lighting and simple backgrounds so the text remains the focus. Adjust cropping and brightness so everything looks cohesive. Clean layout is key. Use Canva's alignment tools: position, tidy up, and spacing controls to line up text, prices, and icons. Keep adequate margins, add consistent padding between sections, and ensure here is enough white space so your list doesn't feel cramped. Check contrast between text and background for readability and aim for font sizes that are easy to read at arm's length. Once you are happy with the design, do a quick proofread and zoom in to 100% to confirm the text is crisp. When you are ready to export, download a PDF if you plan to print, and choose JPG or PNG for digital sharing on your website or social media. PDFs are great for preserving layout. JPGs and PNGs are convenient for quick posts and messages. Save your design so you can update prices later without starting over. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.